Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm traveling on Qantas from Melbourne to Sydney aboard Boeing 737-800 economy class. I'm looking forward to the service Qantas would provide today post-COVID era. I'm here at the Melbourne airport at Terminal 1, which handles Qantas domestic operations. As we come together along this journey, please consider subscribing to my channel and like this video. Do let me know in the comments what you liked about the trip towards the end of the video. Qantas offers kiosks for check-in, printing boarding passes, and also baggage tags. Baggage drops are right ahead of the kiosks and are self-served.
Thank you.
After clearing the security checks, I proceed towards the gate. While still on my way, I capture this beautiful time lapse of a parked Qantas Link Boeing 717 aircraft. This mainly serves regional destinations and offers a two-class configuration. Let's proceed towards the boarding gate. Well, some facts about my today's flight. Boeing 737-800 forms an integral part of Qantas fleet and serves capital cities and major destinations within Australia and beyond. Internationally, it serves New Zealand, PNG and New Caledonia, as well as Denpasar in Indonesia.
Bags must be placed in the overhead locker. Thank you.
Economy class seat typically has 30-inch seat pitch, decent amount of legroom, and the seat reclines by 5 inches. The seat also has a 4-way adjustable headrest, which adds to comfort in the long routes. The tray table is a standard one and there is nothing special to mention. The literature pocket contains the safety card and there was no in-flight magazine available. There's a 9-inch sit-back entertainment touchscreen with an USB port. However, the entertainment screen only had the moving map and the flight information on offer. Anyways, I did not feel using the in-flight entertainment as the flight was just about an hour long. Not to mention that the touchscreen was quite responsive. Qantas safety video is one of the best I have seen for a flag carrier of a country, which proudly demonstrates Qantas aviation history. Here we can also see a glimpse of Longreach and Sydney Harbour Airport in this video, which is quite fascinating.
Welcome to Australia's first international airport, right here on Sydney Harbour. Our life jackets look like this. Yours are a little more modern.
It was a Qantas employee, Jack Rand, who invented the very first inflatable escape slide raft. Your aircraft today is fitted with escape slides and life rafts, which the crew will operate in an emergency.
The 90s saw another first for Qantas in the flying art of Wanola dreaming. You can read more about what we're doing today in your Qantas magazine, located in your seat pocket.
Just 20 minutes into the flight, we were offered a bottle of water, a snack, which was a tasty muffin, and a tea or coffee. Considering the time of the flight, which was evening, the snack was sufficient for an hour-long flight. Let me share my experience on this flight. I found Qantas domestic economy class and Boeing 737 aircraft a comfortable one. The seats are good and comfy, the snack was light and tasty, the cabin crew were welcoming and attentive, and all in all, it was a good journey even though COVID restrictions were still in place. Good job, Qantas. See you guys in my next video. Till then, have a good one.